If you drive a Buick Encore and CarPlay isn't working, you're not alone. Here's how to get it back up and running, step by step. First, check your iPhone. Make sure it's unlocked and running the latest iOS update. Go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. Next, check your USB cable. Use an Apple certified cable and plug it into another USB port in your car if you can. Sometimes a simple cable swap makes all the difference. Still not working? On your Buick's touchscreen, tap the CarPlay icon. If you see your phone listed, select it. If not, unplug and reconnect your phone. Now restart both your phone and your car. Turn off your Buick, wait a few seconds, then start it up again. Restart your iPhone, too. Still having trouble? Go to your iPhone's settings, tap Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure CarPlay isn't restricted. If nothing works, try forgetting your car in your iPhone's CarPlay settings, then set it up again from scratch. Remember, most CarPlay issues are simple fixes. Follow these steps, and you'll be back on the road with your music and maps in no time.